Hey, beginners in network marketing, as you excitedly decide to start this journey in a double quick time, soon you will realize your excitement will die because of the noises from the discouraging voices from the people that you actually know for years, instead of encouragement and support from these people. And I have here a story from the world of nature to help you go through it. So this is how it goes. Now, in the world of nature, the eagle is a mighty, right? It's a mighty bird in the world of nature. Very majestic, handsome looking bird. And did you know that in their world, the only other type of bird that has the balls to attack them, pecking on their neck and yapping away, there's only one type of bird that would dare to attack the mighty eagle, which are the crows, the yapping, noisy crows. Yes, that is the true thing that is happening in the world of nature. And what did the eagle do? Did the eagle turn back and try to shrug them off and struggle midway while they are flying? No. The answer is no. The eagle is wise enough. What did they do? They continue to flap their wings hard and fly even higher and higher and higher and higher. So as they flew and elevate themselves higher, the air at a higher altitude is thinner. That's where one by one, as the eagle fly higher and higher, one by one, all these noisy, yapping black crows lost their ability to breathe properly, and one by one, they got dizzy and fell off from the back of the flying high eagle. And in no time, at a certain height, all these yapping, noisy black crows are gone, fell off the back of the mighty flying high eagle. So what does this story tells us? What does this story from the nature teaches us? The message is focus on yourself, flying higher each time. Don't look back. Don't try to shut off the noise. Continue to focus to fly high. That means continue to focus on growing yourself every day. So the more you elevate each time, the lesser the noise will become, and soon you will hear no noises at all. So let this story from the nature help you remind yourself each time when you are on the journey of building a network marketing business. Let this story remind you, focus on your growth, elevate. The noise will just fall off, will trail off itself naturally. Don't need to fight all these noises, which I also call it the naysayers, that try to shoot down you having a dream or your goals to go higher in your life, right? Just focus on elevating yourself. Don't engage, just elevate. Your results will speak for itself, right? So if you want more of such inspiring content from me, don't forget to follow me, and I'll see you in my next video updates.